Hi there folks, thanks for joining me again for another tutorial video. I've had a couple of folk asking about how to do this, and it's a job that I was going to do for myself anyway, so I might as well take the opportunity and make a video about it. For this example, I had a custom nameplate made up for me for in the windscreen. This was done by a friend, but at the time it was only made for the Scania S and the Scania Torpedo, next gen Torpedo. But I would like this nameplate to work on other trucks. So I'm going to go and convert this now to the MAN TGX. For that you will need to know the internal name of the truck itself. So I'm going to come out of this. We'll go to the TGX and so we're going to want to put it in the driver's plate in that slot there. You can see at the moment it's not on this list. What I'll do is I'll just make this up and then go to our trusty developer console. And the truck internal name you can see here in the middle is MAN dot TGX underscore 2020. You're best to write that down or take a screenshot, take a picture. But that's the information that we need, is the truck name. So I'm now going to close the game and go in and make my changes. So now in my mod folder, I'm looking for tank nameplate. There we are. WinRAR zip archive, so we'll double click to open this. Just minimize that down. And so to make the changes, we want to change the def file, so we go into def, vehicle, truck, and there's the trucks that I currently have it working on, the Scania R, Scania S, the Longline and the Torpedo. Remember I noted the internal name of the man is man.tgx underscore 2020. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick any one of these. I'll take the Scania T out, copy that to my desktop. I'm now going to rename that MAN dot TGX underscore 2020. We also need to make some changes to the file inside of this, the def file. So TGX and then accessory, driver plate, because that's the name of the slot that it works in. Delete the backup, and then we have tank underscore 1. And then here it's going to say tank underscore 1 and then Scania.t underscore 2016 driver's plate. And again, we want to change this middle part here to the TGX. So MAN dot TGX underscore 2020. to save, close that, and then drag this folder in. There it is there, man TGX underscore 2020. Delete that from my desktop. And now we'll go back into the game and check that that has worked. So just to test that that has worked, go to driver's plate, and there we go. Standard plate and tank 1. So yep, that's worked. The only thing that I need to state is there's not a lot of compatibility with other vehicles. You're very reliant on the slot position for how things fit. You might get away with bull bars and stuff that are kind of centralized. It might not sit correct vertically. But yeah, for things like that, that's you know, that's how you do it. Hope that's of some use, and see you again next time.